Dawn on the river, quiet, breathing, let the morning carry you. Crocodiles lie in wait, shaping ripples with patient stillness. Hippos announce the day, deep, resonant grunts across the water. Beneath the surface, life glides in quiet rhythm.
Shimmering heat. A desert breathing in slow wind. A desert fox digs for hidden life. Light scratches whisper under the wind. A snake glides across rippled dunes. Distant eagle calls carry over the emptiness. Witness wildlife with eco-friendly guided tours. Capture the moment.
Heavy steps on dusty plains. Elephants rumble. Nature's subwoofer beneath your feet. Rhinos claim the ground. Deep snorts, grit scraping power you can feel. Buffaloes surge past. Low grunts, hooves thudding, the earth shivers.
Dawn breathes life into the African savanna. Lions move like shadows, every step deliberate. Listen, grass, breath, and the quiet of intent.